the thought occurs to me that using a tent is a practical thing, it's a physical thing. Like you have a tent and it's somewhere to hide from the rain, it's somewhere to sleep, not really to relax. Whereas hammock, it's relaxing, because it's relaxing, so relaxing. I mean, yes, with a tent you could go and put up a power cord and hang stuff on it. Lots and lots of stuff on it. But I just remembered I had my leg brace on for 8 hours and I took it off and it stinks. And my leg collapsed when I took it off because I've been wearing it so long. And without the support, my leg just went boing. Not happy. But yeah, this is let it rain, let it wind, I don't care. Not too much wind, just, yeah, the rain is fine. It's nice, even with like gaps where you can see daylight. Yes, it's daylight, but it's also plastic, like polyplastic. And my fly sheet thingy on top. I mean, right on top of me is 3 layers. Well, and the mosquito net. So, yeah, this is relaxing. So very relaxing. It's quite funny really, because the only radio station, and it took me 3 hours to find it, Classic FM, is the only one that plays anything remotely non-woke. Every single other station is either gay or black. It's just every single fucking channel. And I know the reason for it. They're all part of this Jewish agenda to incite racial hatred, to make white people hate black people and go and kill them, to make, same as all the media, all the news, they're all the same. All they ever do is incite racial hatred to make you hate people. I don't hate white music. I just get bored hearing the same shit. Because they don't play stuff like Ella Fitzgerald or, was it Junior? What the hell was his name? The midget with a big voice, Sammy Davis Jr. They don't play stuff like by him or by Neil Armstrong. It wasn't Neil Armstrong, was it? Some Armstrong. Louis Armstrong? Louis Armstrong. We have all the time in the world. Yeah. They don't play any of the decent stuff, they just play the nasty shit. And of course, nothing by white people, unless they're gay. And the thing is, because it's Jonathan Ross on the radio, it's how the mighty have fucking fallen. Where he was like commanding £500,000 a week to do appearances, and now he's on, what, 100 grand a year, 50 grand a year at the most for presenting a couple of hours a week on some radio station no fucker listens to. Like, hey, unless you're in prison. I listen to it in prison. See, I don't want to go for a piss. I know I should do, but it's a case of I won't actually want to until it's full on dark and I'm too scared to unzip the thing. Not of wolves and stuff, but bugs attacking me and swarming me in the night.